begin by sauteing some onions in some butter. Once that's sauteed, we're going to add some tomato paste. Then we're going to add the tomato sauce. Remember I said I'm making a pepper fusion. This is what I was making the pepper fusion for. Mix everything in, let that cook for 25 minutes. Then I am going to now add the rice. Mix the rice in, and then we are going to use some coconut milk and my coconut butter, and I'm seasoning that with some all-purpose seasoning, some bay leaf. You can add any type of flavorings to your desired taste and add it to the pot. And I'm not going to add too much of salt or anything because, as you know, the tomato sauce has a lot of salt and a lot of flavoring, so I'm going to let that cook till it's totally dried up. Then my rice is cooked. Now let's enjoy. This is my second time making this, and I think this is the best one yet.